What's up, guys? Ryan here with the MXG channel. Of course, I picked the hottest day of the year, but I've just been out finally testing the CUO I put on my 2023 KTM 450 SXF. If you guys aren't familiar, this is the GPS and the connectivity unit off-road back here, which work together with Lit Pro and the KTM app to basically track your rides. You can adjust your mapping, but they took it a step further this year, added the GPS, so now you can see like speed and stats and leaderboard. But where the GPS works with the CUO, now you can integrate like what gear you're in, what RPM you're in, etc., with your GPS metric data. So pretty cool. I told you guys I'd show you the app, so we're going to dive into the app right now and see what it looks like and what my data looks like from my ride. Okay, guys, so here we are in the KTM app. Now, let it be known, I had no luck trying to connect to the CUO unit first with my Bluetooth outside of the app. You have to go to the app first. It says Bluetooth out of range, so you can't see this, but I'm hitting the start button on my bike real quick. Just enough to prime the fuel pump. Put some charge in the battery. That should wake up the unit. See, it says connecting, auto logging enabled. Now, it's not going to sync any new rides because I just synced the ride here just a second ago. But what you're going to do is go down to the paddock here and hit rider. And you're going to hit this plus, and it's going to show up right here. And you're going to hit sync now, and it'll sync. And you can see there's this demo one on the bottom from Fox Raceway. This is mine right here. So it comes up, looks like this is the base screen here. If you want to look at the map, hit right here. It's going to show you the satellite view. Now, I did 2 laps. I just rolled around the course really slow in flip-flops and board shorts just to see what it was going to do. It only logged me as doing 1 lap. So keep that in mind. You're going to have to do a couple laps before the auto logging is really going to realize that you're doing laps. So you go here to look at what it shows you. It's going to show you the date, the time you rode, the weather, what the weather was like. It's got my lap times, my lap distance. There's got to be somewhere in here where we can change it from meters to standard stuff, but I haven't seen it yet. Average speed, longest jump. This is the stuff that's really interesting, though. RPM and gear position summary. So 57% of my laps were at 3,000 to 6,000 RPM. That was because I was just riding around slow, lugging the bike. You can see I was in 4th gear a lot of the time. That's pretty cool. It also shows quick shift. It also shows quick shift and that I was on map 2. And it says 2 shifts. So that does sound about right. I didn't shift very much, like I said, just riding around. Segment times. It's got an S1 and S2 segments. Let's click on lap analysis here. 9.3 Gs. There's a little jump right there. This looks like a meter for your heart rate. So look at this. I press play, and it's going to show me moving around the track, I believe. Get this out of the way. Yeah, there we go. And it's going to show my speed in each segment. That is pretty cool, guys. For any of you YouTube guys, this could make some really cool content going to different tracks and, showing your footage. And I'd love to record this and put it in the corner and show it as well. I love watching that. Now I'm excited to go back out and actually put in some full speed laps and see what we get. And then you can use this scroller to scroll back and forth to scroll through as well. Pretty cool. Here's the settings. Playback speed multiplier, heat map function. So right now the heat map's set on speed, but you can set it on accel, decel, or gear. That's really cool. Secondary metric. That's cool. I like it. All right, going back here. Summary. Segments. Shows the 2 segments. There's your weather information. I guess you would manually enter these. Oh, yep, you can manually enter these notes as far as tires, time on your engine, name of the track, type of dirt, anything else you want to know. It tells you the humidity, the wind gusts, everything. That is so cool. Now, another thing I want to show you is, like, I know a lot of you guys are familiar with Strava, and so it's got like the leaderboards. We're going to have that here too, but I don't, let me see, a summary. Oh, it's also got target potential. 0% of your best lap time is cornering. Really cool. Now, somewhere right here, it shows leaderboards. Maybe view track leaderboard. So here's the leaderboard at Fox Raceway. Vince Freezy, Brock Tickle. This is all demo stuff. But I would imagine once there's some other data from my track, it will create a leaderboard for this track as well. So I haven't figured out where you can go to look up leaderboards or anything yet, but we will try to figure that out. Units, metric, we're going to go to Imperial. Not that I don't appreciate metric, but now what's cool is check this section out. You got this 12-week target. It says only 10% of Lit Pro athletes spend 10 hours or more on the bike in a 2-week period. Challenge yourself to stay consistent and healthy enough to achieve this status, and if you do well, we'll keep you on track of that by adding these features to your profile picture. So if you ride in the last 2 weeks at all, it will put this ring on your profile picture. Try to keep the ring there. If you have 10 hours of seat time or more, which puts you in the top 10% of Lit Pro athletes, they'll add the thumbs up to your profile picture. That's really cool. I like that they're motivating people to get on bikes, spend time on bikes. However, I've yet to see where you can go to look up other riders or profiles or anything like that. So I don't know if that's something you have to do on the computer or what. So if any of you guys know where you go to look up other users or other track leaderboards or anything, please comment down below and let me know. Like I said, it's going to take a deeper dive to really figure out the ins and outs, but this is kind of shows you what the app looks like and a few of the things you can use it for. And I'm going to suit up here in a little bit and go actually get some full speed laps in and see what kind of cool actual data I can pull out of this Lit Pro. So hope that helps some of you guys. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. See you in the next video.